You don't hear nothing, you know. The Chocks in the middle right there. Back here. Or your baby daddy. If you go to jail, get in the bitch, cause he won't kill shit. Niggas always talking about. Can't do it anymore. I heard your brakes squeaking and I would love to fix them. There we go. Tiago the technician. 3 minutes or so. Yo, girl, you're getting my guy. Let's share the same guy. It's natural. 80 foot-pounds. Oh, we want to get 3 more up, right? Now it's at 83. All right. All the way down is loose. Now it's tightening up. You know what I'm saying? Tightening up. Now that's safe for us to go. Hey, you ain't heard nothing. Hey. You don't hear nothing, you know.